Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. Standard mileage deduction rates have changed for 2012. This table shows the new rates. Business miles are now 55.5 cents a mile. Miles driven for charitable services are now 14 cents a mile. And miles driven for medical travel are 23 cents a mile. Let's look at a review question. John used his personal car for business trips and for qualified business miles. Between September 2012 and December 2012, John drove his car for a total of 4,731 miles and used his car for 517 miles for qualified charitable miles. What is his total deduction for the miles he drove? A. $2,698.09. B. $4,731. C. $5,248. Or D. $2,365.43. The correct answer is A. $2,698.09. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.